Friends, it's Terri Gaines, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. In this video, I'm going to product spotlight a suite collection that is part of Stampin' Up's May 2026 online exclusives, which will be available on May 5th. So this is a sneak peek of the product. The suite is called Silly Old Bear. It is a mega suite, which you get 2 bundles, embossing folder and designer series paper with the one code suite collection number, or you can purchase the items separately. The 2 bundles are bundled together for 10% savings, or you can purchase those items individually as well. The first bundle I want to share with you is called Sweet Old Friends. We have 13 stamps, and 11 of those stamps can be cut out with the dies, the coordinating dies. And I made a little sampler here to kind of show all of those that can be cut out with the dies. All of these images can be stamped and cut out with the dies. Plus you have some bees. And then this here is, I think it is the little dandelion pieces that are blowing off. Or maybe you could even use them as animal tracks. And then you have these decorative dies here that you can create some great projects with. So that is one bundle. The other bundle is called Sweet Words and Labels. We have 9 stamps in the stamp set. 2 are label stamps, the rest are sentiment stamps. And then we have 18 dies in the die set. And these are beautiful. They work beautifully together. So let me show you my sampler here. So these are the different label dies. This is the largest one, and it works its way to this way. All of these do stack on top of each other. Then including this one, then we have this one, these stack together, and you have these 2 that I should say layer beautifully together. The stamp set has all of these images, plus these 2 stamps that you can stamp and then die cut the labeled images around them. And then you have these decorative dies. So what I also did to kind of show you what I meant by the layering or the stacking, this collection here is this die all the way up to this die, how you can layer those together in any scenario that you would like. And then this grouping right here, these 4 work beautifully together, and then these 2 work beautifully together. So I just created this to help be a visual of how all of that works, and I have some card samples to share with you as well. So then let's talk about the embossing folder. It's one of the large embossing folders. It covers a little bit more than 5.5 by 8 1/4. So this is 5.5 by 8 1/4, and I'm not going to sure if it shows up on the camera, but it is called 100 Acres Woods. So you have some woods here, some trails, and some of the images. So this is the embossing folder that coordinates with it. Then we have the designer series paper. The designer series paper coordinates with many of Stampin' Up's exclusive colors, including 2 of the new in colors, and then all of these colors. So it is absolutely beautiful and just fun, really pretty designer series paper. So this print right here can be die cut with one of the dies. All of these, so 6, 7, 10 can be cut out with one die, and then 3 here can be cut out with the other die. And it's 2 each of the 6 double-sided designs. This is the back side. And I did purchase a second package, so I was able to cut out one to show you that all of those images can be cut out with the dies. How cute are those different images? So we have that pattern. And then here's another pattern. Look at those beautiful scenic designs. So cute. So double-sided, so that's one side, and this is the print on the other side. So 2 of those. Then we have this print. This print, all of these images, other than the little dandelion pieces that are blowing there, can be cut out with the dies. So you have all these decorative images. This is the back side of the paper. So pretty. So I did cut this out to show you the entire sheet can be cut out with different dies. That makes your creating so much fun. But keep in mind, we also have stamps with the stamp set that we can stamp and cut out. So here is this would be the 4th design out of the 6 double-sided designs. You have some really nice scenic prints here and a pink plaid on the back. Then we have this cute print. We've got poo in some of the trees here. Very, very pretty paper. And then a map on the other side. This coordinates with the embossing folder. This is pretty much the same, similar design on the embossing folder. And then we have, this is the 6th print. So a full sheet of these images, and this is the back side of that paper. So, so pretty. So what I did was I created a few samples, and just to show you some cards, these are just some simple cards. This one I used the die cuts and cut out the designer series paper. Then I have 3 of the labels stacked there. Now what I brought in to make my samples, I brought in these beautiful, it's not on the sample, but it's on the other sample. I brought in these really beautiful butterflies. They're also a sneak peek. These are going to be in the new annual or the new May through August catalog. They're the 2026-28 in color butterflies. 6 different colors, because you also get clear, the 5 in colors in 2 different sizes. I used those throughout the samples. And then the stamps that I used for some of the cards was the banner sayings, which is currently available, and it bundles with the 3 banner punch. So I brought those in for some of the samples. So you're the sweetest on the outside, and then this is from the stamp set that coordinates with the labels. You deserve a little treat. So, and I used the label on the inside. So this card, I used the stamps and die cut. After I stamped it, have the designer series paper, added some butterflies, just simple cards using the designer series paper. Now this is the designer series paper that has that, let me show you, it's this right here. And then I used the background. It's going to be hard to tell, but I also texturized with the map embossing folder around here, added some of the butterflies and stamped the inside. Now what I decided to do is bring in a different folder for some of them. This folder is currently available. It is the Stone and Vine 3D embossing folder, and I used that for the background. I also used one of these images and then another layer of the labels, and I used the banner saying. So this stamp set I used a few times for the outside, and then I did a label for the inside as well. Now on this one, I also used the Stone and Vine embossing folder, die cut a designer series paper, have the die cuts and layers, and this sheet right here, let me show you that one. That is this paper right here. So I use this print right here and have that. And then I stamped the inside as well. Then here's another one. I used that Stone and Vine embossing folder, the clear butterflies, the same print that I just referenced right here. And then I fussy cut around the designer series paper for this one. And the last one is just a note card. Die cut the paper here as well. And then use the Stone and Vine embossing folder, have the designer series paper cut, some butterflies, and just kept this one simple on the inside. So this was a sneak peek of some product that's going to be available in the May 2026 online exclusives. Reach out if you have any questions. Take care and happy creating.